Okay, so go to accountingprincipals.com, and if you're an accountant, for you to get more jobs, remote jobs on accounting, right? So here it is it an accounting principals equipment solutions. So they have to do anything accounting and finance. Yeah. So all right, so they have a lot of jobs and you can then check them out. So let's look at their jobs. Okay. So if you're an accountant or a finance personnel, you can go to this link and move. All right. So okay, so this particular job is contract type, it's temporary, and it's located in Arizona. Staff accountant, so you can apply. If you have an account with Indeed, you can apply through this link. But if not, you just click on normal apply. But then I want us to check out jobs that are remote so that if you are anywhere in the world, you can apply. So let's see, do they have remote? Yes, they have fully remote jobs. Okay. So the only one that is fully remote is M&A Paralegal fully remote jobs. All right. So this one is it was posted 8 days ago, and it's also contract type based. The job is in Florida, but it's fully remote. Okay. So let's see. Direct hire is now hiring a fully remote full-time paralegal with 3+ years of experience as in paralegal. So college degree is required. And what you need to do is to proofread and edit documents and like non-disclosure agreements and maintain documentation of clients' non-disclosure agreement processes and procedures. Okay, so you review the NDA negotiation by junior associates and provide so more like your assisting lawyers. Okay, so let's see. Is this something we can apply to? Yes, if you have 3+ years as acquisitions paralegal, then you can apply. All right. So this particular role, it entails that you assist and work directly with the partners. So what you do is you input your personal details, your name, your last name, email address, your mobile number. Then it's also an equal opportunity employer. So be rest assured that once you qualify, you will be picked. Okay, so you must have strong attention to detail, you must have the ability to work independently, and you must be proficient with online database management. So it's remote in Florida, alone, New York City, and some other states. But just check it out and see if it's something you are interested in. This company will consider qualified applicants with arrest and conviction records. Okay, so this is how to do it. Your postal code, your country, add your resume, and you click on submit application. Then that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so about us, let's see the brand. Okay, so the LHH rather does the advisory does realign, designing, optimizing talent strategies, corporate strategies, and ensuring that everything you are aiming for in the future is enabled and accelerated by your people. Okay, so it has to do with refreshing careers and renewing skills. And we help people to find new opportunities both within and outside your organization to help them reinvent themselves for whatever comes next. All right, so that's about that. So if there are any other things you can read up. Right, so thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and please turn on notification by clicking on the bell. If you want the link to this video, I'll drop it in the description so that you can have a link to the job and apply. Okay, so it will be nice to see you in my next video. Please tell your friends to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share this video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.